Welcome to YCfee. Are you a fan of apple juice? Have you ever wondered how those delicious, nutritious glasses of apple juice we often enjoy are made? Today, we will delve into a modern apple juice production facility and explore the meticulous process of harvesting and production that results in delicious and healthy apple juice. From fresh apples on the trees, we will follow them through each step: harvesting, washing, chopping, juicing, filtering, pasteurizing, and finally, packaging the finished product. Let's uncover the secrets behind the wonderful flavor of this apple juice. The delectable glasses of apple juice originate from bountiful apple orchards, where ripe apples are carefully harvested to ensure the highest quality. Experts suggest that the ideal apple harvest time is from September to November, when the apples have reached perfect ripeness and peak nutritional value. Harvesting apples at the right time contributes to the delicious taste and optimal nutritional value of the juice. There are two main harvesting methods: manual hand picking and mechanical tree shaking. Manual hand picking. This method is used in premium apple orchards, where apple quality is the top priority. Skilled workers carefully pick each apple from the tree, ensuring they do not bruise or damage the fruit. Although it is time-consuming and labor-intensive, this method yields the best quality apples, preserving their flavor and freshness. Mechanical tree shaking. For larger apple orchards, tree shaking machines provide an efficient solution, saving time and labor. The machine creates gentle vibrations, causing the apples to fall to the ground, where they are then collected using modern machinery. However, this method must be performed carefully to avoid bruising or damaging the apples. By employing these methods, the apple juice production process ensures that only the finest apples are used, leading to a final product that is both delicious and nutritious. The first step in the production process is to thoroughly wash the apples to remove dirt, bacteria, and other impurities from the surface. The apples are washed using a high-pressure spray system combined with food-safe cleaning agents. This meticulous cleaning is crucial for ensuring food safety and the quality of the juice. To ensure consistent quality for the juice, apples are sorted based on size, color, and ripeness. This sorting is done either automatically or manually by experienced workers, ensuring high accuracy. Only the apples that meet the standards are used for juice production, while those that do not meet the criteria are repurposed for other uses. The apples are then chopped into small pieces using sharp knives or specialized cutting machines to facilitate juice extraction. The chopped apple mixture is subsequently finely ground using industrial grinders. This cutting and grinding process increases the surface area of the apples in contact with the water, optimizing the juice extraction efficiency. The ground apple mixture is transferred to modern hydraulic presses to separate the juice from the apple pulp. The press applies significant pressure, extracting the maximum amount of juice from the apples. The extracted apple juice is then passed through a specialized filtration system to remove any residues, seeds, and apple peels. The filtration system consists of multiple stages with different-sized filters, ensuring the complete removal of impurities and resulting in clear, smooth juice. The filtered juice has a beautiful golden color and a naturally delicious taste. Quality control of the apple juice is rigorously maintained throughout the production process. Random samples of the juice are periodically tested for sugar levels, acidity, vitamin content, minerals, and other factors. Only products that meet quality standards proceed to the next stage. Depending on customer requirements, apple juice can be supplemented with additional vitamins, sugar, or acids to achieve the desired flavor. These supplements are added by nutrition experts to ensure consumer safety. To ensure food safety and extend shelf life, the apple juice is pasteurized at high temperatures for a short period. This pasteurization process eliminates harmful bacteria without affecting the juice's flavor and nutritional value. After pasteurization, the apple juice is filled into sterile bottles or cartons using modern machinery. The packaging process is conducted in a sterile environment to ensure food safety. The bottles or cartons are labeled with comprehensive information about the ingredients, nutritional value, expiration date, and usage instructions. From fresh apples on the tree through a modern production process and strict quality control, we have created safe, nutritious, and appealing products. We have explored the journey of apples from the orchard to becoming delicious glasses of apple juice. From careful harvesting to modern production processes and stringent quality control, all efforts are made to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. If you found this video useful, please like and share it so that more people can learn about the fascinating apple juice production process. Thank you for watching this video. We greatly appreciate your support. See you in the next videos with more fascinating and interesting content about agricultural products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.